custom woven labels, Australia. So actually, from this years, we have meet so many customers from Australia market. Actually, Australia, the woven labels, we have the good market. We cooperate with some companies from Australia, clothing, some clothing brands, company and shoes brands from Australia. We also have good companies cooperate with us. They call the name is Katie. So, but like the if for you for the wholesale the companies, so we just cooperate with one companies. That means we have the good corporate our customers. So that means if we have the same brands, we just cooperation with one companies, because that can protect our customers. We will not cooperate with two companies with one brand, so that we must protect our customers. So that means also we hope one day in future we will have the branch office in Australia. Of course, that means we can all cooperate with our customers. That means we will get the Australia from us direct. That's just let more customers find us, and the more customers can find more the good neighbors. So that's we will cooperation one companies in one company in from Australia. That will be good cooperation, I think. Thank you. Bye bye.